Welcome to our next class, students. Let's start with the chapter probability. Clear? Probability is chance of happening is called probability. Even chance. When the chance of happening is 50-50%, meaning happening and non-happening. Like you can see this example. The chance of a newly born baby to be a boy or girl is even. Clear? So 50-50% chances are there. Sure means the thing will surely it will happen. So you can see this scale also. No chance means 0. Poor chance 1/4. Even chance half. Half means 50%. Good chance 3/4. And sure chance 1. Clear? Let's discuss few example. Sure chance means if you throw a coin, 100% chance even either head will come or tail will come. So this is what sure event. Impossible. Okay, no chance. There is no chance that it will rain every day in Delhi. That's not possible. So this is what? Impossible chance. Good chance. If event is more likely to happen than not to happen, it is good chance. Like I'll tell you one example. If you work hard, you will pass with good marks. That is what a good chance. Then poor chance, if an event is less likely to happen, that means chance is less than half. That is called poor chance. Now let us discuss few examples. She throws a tail with a coin. So what is the possibility of getting a tail? 50% chances are there. So this is what? Even chance. India will win the match. Again even chance. The possibility of winning or losing. It will not rain for 12 months. So this is very poor chance. She will throw a 3 with the die. She will throw 3 with a die. It's poor chance. You know that in a die their total outcomes are 6. Out of 6, we need to find out chance of only 1 happening. So this is what? Poor chance. My birthday fall on 13 June this year. So next year it will fall on 13 May. Impossible? No chance. If you work hard, you will pass the exam. I already told you it's a good chance. Today is 15 July. Tomorrow will be 16 July. Sure. The newly born baby will be a girl. We already discussed. It is even chance. It will rain today. Even chance. 100 of people can fit into car. Impossible. No chance. I'll buy a packet of potato chips this week. That is a good chance only. We can draw a triangle whose angles add up to 180. You know sum of angle, sum property of triangle. It will be 180 only. It's a sure chance. Two non-parallel lines intersect at a point. Sure chance. If the lines are non-parallel, so sure that they will intersect each other. 3 lines intersect at 4 points. No, that's not possible. More than 3 line can be intersect only at 1 point. Throwing an odd number on a die. You can see these are the outcomes of the die. You are playing Ludo. So what are the even numbers here? Sorry, odd numbers. Odd number is 1, 3 and 5. Out of 6, 3 are odd numbers. So 3 divided by 6 means 1/2. Half, 50-50% chances are there. So this is what? Even chance. Children, please note down this formula. Probability of happening of any event, let it be A, that is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. Now, first question of exercise 2. For each situation, write the list of possible outcomes. First one, tossing a single 5 rupee coin. If you toss a coin, what are the possibilities? Head or tail will come. So there are 2 possibilities, either head or tail. Second is picking a letter from the vowels of English alphabet. From English alphabets, you have to pick up the vowels. So what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. In a bag, one green ball is there, one blue ball is there, one red is there and one white. And at a time, you have to pick one ball. Clear? So what are the possible outcomes? All are the outcomes. One green, one blue, one red and one white ball. Clear? Next is fourth part, picking an odd number from first 10 odd numbers. So first of all, you have to write first 10 odd numbers. These are the odd numbers. First 10 odd numbers. Clear? So you have to pick one of them. So any of the number can come. So these all are the favorable outcomes. Next is picking a prime number from first prime numbers. You know that prime numbers are the numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Or in the other way, they are divisible by themselves only. Clear? So these are first 5 prime numbers. You have to pick one of them. So any one of the number can come. So these all are favorable outcomes. What is the probability of getting vowel from I, E, A, O, U? So total outcomes are given to you. I, E, A, O, U. Clear? So I already told you what is the formula of probability. So probability of getting a vowel. I told you the formula, favorable events upon total. Children, total are 5 and favorable at a time you have to select only 1. Clear? So 1 upon 5. The probability is 1 upon 5. Third question. What is the probability of picking a month of the year having 31 days? So I wrote all the months which are having 31 days. Clear? So count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? Total outcomes out of 12 months. Favorable outcomes. We need months which are having 31 days, that are 7. So what is the probability of the months with 31 day? That is equal to favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So this is the probability. Question number 4. What is the probability of selecting the letter from the word absurd? You can see here. So count total number of outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total outcomes are 6. Favorable outcome, at a time you have to select only one letter. That is what? 1. So probability is equal to favorable outcome 1 upon total number of outcome 1 by 6. Fifth question. A bag has 10 marbles. Numbered 1 to 10 are written on that. Clear? What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 6? You have to pick one marble that should be with number 6. So only 1 is there, na? So your favorable outcome is 1 and total outcomes are 10. So probability of getting a marble with number 6, that is 1 by 10. In a cricket match between India and Pakistan, what is the probability of India winning the toss? So 50% chances winning upon the total number of outcomes. So for winning 1, clear, and the total out of 2, 1 by 2 is the answer. 7th question. A die is thrown 200 times and the outcomes are noted, given over here. 1 appeared 21 times, 2 appeared 30 times, 3 appeared 42 times, 4 appeared 38 times, 5 appeared 29 times and 6 appeared 40. So when a die is thrown at random, what is the probability of getting 5? See beta, what is the probability of getting 5? 5 appeared how many times? 29. Divide by the total outcomes are 200. So 29 by 200. Next of 3. 3 appeared 42 times. 42 divide by 200. 4 appeared 38 times. So 38 by 200. So 6 appeared 40 times. So 40 divided by total number of outcomes are 200. So these are the probabilities. I have written. With this your chapter is finished. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.